Okay, evaluating with fraction exponents. 27 to the 2/3. Okay, so I'll show you a couple ways to think about this. If I want to separate this, I would maybe say to the 1/3, and then it got times, or to the exponent of 2, right? Because that's still 27 to the 2/3. It's the same thing. We just wrote it in a different way. So then if I think about what is a cubed root of 27, that's 3, and then 3 squared, which is 9. So here's kind of just what I always think about. I always think about the bottom number, so I would take the cubed root of 27, which is 3, and then square it. Okay, so that's kind of the process. Okay, so 16 to the 3/4. So this is what I do first. So this means, what is the 4th root of 16? In other words, what times what times what times what equals 16? So that would be 2. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, times another 2 is 16. So this pink part is 2, and then I still have it cubed, so it ends up being 8. 27 to the 4/3. So I would do this piece first. So the cubed root of 27, which is 3. And I still have that to the 4th. So 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That's 9 and 9, so 81. (32 to the 3/5). So I do that. So what's the 5th root of 32? In other words, what times what, 5 times to get 32. So thinking about this one, 16 times another 2 is 32. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So this pink portion is 2, and then 2 cubed is 8. Okay, 25 to the 3/2. So we'll do this first, which is the square root of 25. So that's 5, and then 5 cubed is, so 5 times 5 is 25. So another times 5 is 125. 25 to the negative 3/2. Okay, so I would do that piece, which is 5, and then 5 to the negative 3 is 1 over 5 cubed, right? Change a negative exponent to a positive with reciprocation. So 1 over 125. Okay, the 4th root of 16 to the 5ths. So in exponential form, that would be like that. So I always do this. So what's the 4th root of 16? So that would be 2. And then 2 to the 5th is 32. Okay, the 5th root of 32 squared, so it could be rewritten with 2/5. So what's the 5th root of 32? 2, and then 2 squared is 4.